Hello everybody, what is up? Prof Toast here. As you can see, we're back here with some more Ratchet and Clank. Alright, last time I believe we just finished hacking this, and now we are... wait, hold on. Crystal. This direction. Okay, anyway, so yeah, we're off to continue. I think we're getting, as far as I'm aware, we're getting pretty close to the end game. Okay, so far we're pretty fairly close. Okay, so we hacked this last time. Yeah, don't do anything with that. Oh, that's right. I think we're doing this weird freaking trial that's kind of like an amusement park with them. Yeah, it was. Okay. It's been a little bit since I played this, so I was going like, where the hell did we leave off again? I'm like, oh yeah. Alright, let's just get this over with. Oh shit. I said, wait, you're not animatronics. You're actual freaking enemies. Oh, that's L1. Get all the freaking money. Oop. Good to know this is one of those games where the water doesn't kill you for once. But I can just go swimming around. So I suppose I should get to actually, killing the rest of these enemies. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you behind me. Oh, okay. Let's see. First, we'll go ahead, throw one of these out. Oh shit. Get him, boys, get him. Oh, and I am out of freaking ammo. But we got this bad boy. Okay, 41% health. I don't necessarily have to be right there with him on the freaking island. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do a cold snap. There we go. There we go. Alright, did I pass the trial now? Or we still have to unscrew this one? Oh, great. I was like, but wait, there's more. Oh, these fuckers, alright. Go ahead and get my electricity gun. Oh, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad at all. Now we can actually go ahead and open this door up. Looks like we got a new piece of armor, from what I can see.
Please accept this humble prize that was certainly worth risking life and limb for.
All I'm gonna say is better be fucking good.
Not bad at all.
Oh, we got a new robot pirate helmet. Let's see here. Actually looks pretty sick.
He survived?
Yeah.
I mean, huzzah!
Huzzah! Damn, you
The
sound so
captain is
fucking
just up
excited.
ahead.
I don't know, I kind of like to keep the helmet off Ratchet and Clank. I mean, yeah, Ratchet and then Rivet and stuff.
Finally.
Primarily because you can
Hero
actually
was
see their
telling the truth
facial
after all.
expressions during the
Let us see
cutscenes.
what is up ahead first.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
That
great.
means congratulations in Kraken.
That
I mean, that'd be
doesn't make it
nice.
any better.
Ratchet, run!
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't think the fight was over. Oh, this guy.
What brings ye here?
You're, in danger. The Emperor has a...
Dimensionator?
You already knew?
Har har!
He's essentially one of the
Greatest job we ever
kind of
pulled.
heroes slash villain. Well, I mean, the first game he was technically, you know,
We
kind
could
of
get
a
ahead of the
dick, but I
Emperor
think
with
he,
that
you know,
thing.
kind of straightened out his acting in the later games.
It's me face.
This is essentially just an alternate dimension version of him.
Ye dare!
As you can see, he's a little on the clumsy side.
Wait, this dimension has a quark?
Quark? It's quantum. Captain Quantum.
He's like, oh shit.
Murderer. No, it's me. It be me, Quantum. See?
Ye will pay for defiling a captain's head like that. Both of ye.
Guessing he's been tricking them for a good while.
My name's Ratchet. Will you give us the helmet?
Yes, fine. You can have the stupid helmet. I'm going to try and steer us off this planet, but you have to hold the pirates until we're ready for takeoff.
Leave it to me.
Oh, you little shits. Alright, I don't think that was it. They're gonna send... There we go, I was gonna say, like, I know they're gonna send more waves than that. You don't want to make it too easy on me.
Guy you mentioned earlier.
Captain Quark! He's our dimension's version of you. But we really should talk about this later.
Captain, huh? So, I got some competition.
Oh, there we go. That helps a little bit with the shield guys at least. Alright, let's get these fuckers out of the way. There we go. And we still got these fuckers.
Now,
I should have warned me rapper booties.
Alright, are we done?
Are they gone?
Think so.
tell me, is that the last of them?
Well, if I were their captain, I would be regrouping for a counterattack right now.
Oh,
But
never
I'm
mind.
not anymore. So who knows?
That sounds
So-
ominous.
I was gonna say, so
We're
we...
nearly ready for takeoff. Quick, head to the upper control deck and prime our launch thrusters.
Okay. So I think that was it.
Freedom! Sweet, glorious freedom! Hold on.
Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, I had a pretty good feeling we're gonna have one more wave.
I'd be so honored right now.
But they wanted to kill me. I'm honored.
We're almost at full power.
Where the
Where is
fuck
that
are
ship
they?
going?
What the
Oh,
heck
he's gonna
is that
fire
thing?
on us. Or a tractor beam?
Deploy the plunder beam. It's an ambush. And a perfectly executed one at that. Oh, I taught him well.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Okay, it'd be nice if I could get out from the freaking corner.
They be trying to...
Okay, that was way over the fucking edge.
Past that shield.
Does anybody else want to board us? You know, since we're at it right now. Oh, hey, yes I did. Alright, so I think... Still hear some of them. Are you fuckers over here? If you guys could, you know, not, that'd be great. Oh, okay, so we got these guys over here. Alright, give me a second. I don't know why I did not switch my guns before. Alright, anybody else right now? We still got you guys up here. Are we just dealing with them doing slow drive-bys, or? Oh, so I gotta disable this plunder thing. Question is how? Do I just shoot out their ship? Let's see. Okay, now that just makes him drown. Alright, so if I were going to disable their whole freaking beam, how would I go about doing so? Unless I got to get on one of their ships that they're flying by on, that would also make sense too. Oh, I get it. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so now... Oh, there we go. Gotta hit, you know, just a little bit of a ride with these guys. And here we go.
Rather painful.
Now for the plunder beam.
Oops. Okay, so we're actually good with that. Go ahead and get rid of this dumbass beam.
Thunder beam is down.
There we go.
You know, you two ever be
Right.
interested in joining my new crew? You'd each get a hat.
Wait, we got a
But
hat?
maybe we should focus on escaping
You know what?
first
Fuck saving the
before pirates
universe.
or the
This kid
Emperor
has a
get
free
here.
freaking hat. Hell yeah.
We'll be long gone before he ever gets close to me.
I just realized these little guys came with me too.
We are ready for takeoff. Initiate the launch thrusters.
Alright, let's hope we don't get freaking sabotaged by anything else now.
We have blast off. So long.
They're gonna cut us off.
How did I figure? Alright boys, let's do this. Oh wait, hold on, we got guns.
You mean that ginormous cannon?
Lost all the Poketons. You have to disable it.
Alright, shit.
Ratchet, we need to disable the scuttler fast.
Right. There has
Good. Get him, my minions, get him. Oh shit, there's two of these fuckers? Okay, I thought his health was going down just a little bit easy. I was like, oh, that's not so bad. I'm like, ah, I see why now. Okay, I see the reason why I can't freaking... Okay, there's... Okay, he was low. One was like, why am I shooting him when his health isn't going down?
He won't make it out of this one!
Alright, oh yeah, I need to destroy this thing. The question is... how do I go about freaking disabling this thing?
that control crank's our only shot.
Oh, okay, there's gonna be a crank. Ah, okay. Where's the last place I would have looked? Right in front of me.
Your destruction is imminent!
It is not working, Ratchet.
You're thinking what I'm thinking?
I'm afraid
Summon the
so. We have
Kraken!
no...
This'll solve everything. This would also probably be our cue to get the heck off the ship. But yeah, we should probably run. Or jump into the... oh shit. Attempt to jump into the water and get launched halfway back to our ship.
Fair's fair. So, this Captain Quark, is he a pirate in your dimension too?
No, he's a hero. Even though he's betrayed us, surrendered to save his own skin, taking credit for our...
He's a hero?
Because no matter how many times he screws up, he's always there when it matters most. He never stops trying.
The dimension's
Maybe
falling
I could
apart.
do it too.
The Emperor's all-powerful, and my life's in danger. Perfect time for a career change.
Okay, I was wondering. He was like, "Isn't that just a bucket?" I'm like, "Oh no, that was an actual tech inside the helmet." Oh, that's not good.
What are you doing?
Hero stuff!
Did you not notice that he didn't actually, you know, capture me? He just got the other dude.
Quantum
That is
actually
fine.
saved us.
Really? We got an achievement called Rated R. God, stop.
Wow.
We
Stop
must
it.
let Rivet
Get
and
some
Kit
help.
know.
Let's meet them at Zerky's. We can plan our next move there.
Alright. Go down to Zerky's and get
I bet
ourselves a
Rivet could earn
snack.
some nice rewards if she fought in the arena now.
And now for a message from your emperor.
Oh boy.
My people, I did it. At long last. The pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken. And this galaxy is finally mine!
Hey. Hit the stinky leg. Hit the stinky leg. Oh, fuck.
That's
Okay.
it. Where's the joy? The bliss? The murderous enlightenment?
Well, I mean, you didn't kill Ratchet or nothing, so.
Feel any different?
Because you equated happiness with success. And now that you've achieved it, life is meaningless.
He's like, I will end
What
you.
do you possibly know about success, you... That's it. I haven't really won yet. There are still so many other dimensions waiting to be conquered.
Good luck finding them. It took me years just to figure out the coordinates for this one.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping. Always bring a map. A map. The dimensional map.
In the archives. He's going to
That's
Savali.
probably
You
not
catch all
good.
that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.
But I do know at some point he does actually go to frickin' Ratchet's dimension. Try to cause havoc over there.
No way. It must be nefarious. The archives held the dimensional map, correct?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Rivet. Kit. Emperor Nefarious destroyed the archives. We're gonna check inside. See if he got the map.
The archives have been destroyed? Where is Gary?
I'm not sure.
Nefarious forces ahead.
Thanks for choosing
I don't mean to interrupt you guys, but let's see here. Headhunter, Black Storm. So we still need the. Oh yeah, we definitely don't have enough for these guys, but got a Void Repulsor. What does this one do? Oh yeah, it's the one that kind of acts as a shield. You know, that's not too bad. I'll go ahead and grab that.
And your offense all in one right there.
See, where is there? It is Void Repulsor.
Looks like you got
Let's
some
see,
open
what do we not
sales and
have
the
upgraded a bunch
raritanium to
yet?
match.
Drill Hound could use just a little bit more upgrades.
That is a popular one.
Got one more. Who's going to get it? Executor. Let's see. There we go.
You will be missed, sweet thing.
Dude, now I got a shield. And I can also blast it at people. Ah, dudes.
Look at me. I have not killed a thing today.
Okay, you guys not. Hi. No? Okay.
We knew he would come.
Oh, okay. I was just saying, like, why the fuck aren't they attacking me?
The Emperor will not be pleased if anyone gets inside.
Now that shield. Shield can also go boom. They like me. Okay, let's see here. Oh, good. They pretty much turned to plants and my dogs will freaking grab me. Okay, now what are you guys gonna do?
The Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are
great.
coming undone.
So now we've got Bone Goons?
Bone Goons. Of course we do.
Oh, joy. We didn't already have our hands full. Guess what? We got more fucking enemies now.
Better be disturbing.
Okay, that's how those work. Okay, are those guys fighting with each other? Yeah, they're okay. I mean, I could just let them take themselves out. Oh shit, I did not realize I had that many of you around me. Okay, it's a good thing they're not that tough.
Hey guys, I think the dead are rising down here.
I'm sorry, what?
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it
Guys,
covered.
it's getting
Don't
all
worry about it.
Resident
Bye.
Evil up in this shit, and I do not fucking like it. Okay, I've seen how those games go.
That rift will take us inside. Come on.
Now, what the fuck? Hey, get the fuck out of here, bruh. Okay. Now we are ready to go.
To get inside of the archives. Oh no.
Gary, okay?
Rivet, the dimensional map's gone. The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back.
Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
The answer is maybe. Just maybe. But if you
Based on the
believe just hard
structural norms
enough.
of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-value assets on the upper level.
Let's hope the map's up there.
Okay, there it is. I was like, what do I step down on?
How did you get here?
Your security's terrible.
Flagship, progress report.
For your greatness. Apologies. The army of undead has hampered our progress.
These guys are a little lightweight, so.
You overusing that dimensionator
Those guys.
problem.
Problems? Never. This is a flourish to mark the occasion.
What are they doing over there? Oh god, there's a lot of fucking enemies in here.
Ticket, right?
We must scour the remaining archives.
Okay, guys, 'cause like, oh god, do I have to fight all that? Like, no, okay, I'm good.
Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of Lance and Journey.
Those baubles are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Wait, does that mean he has the map already, or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Quantum's helmet?
Nothing useful.
He has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
Anybody else? Sure, they're just all going off to freaking different dimensions. I'm surprised when you're sitting there going like, oh, fine, I succeeded in everything. It's like, but you still got Ratchet and Rivet out there.
I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Yeah.
For the Emperor!
Oh god, okay. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. Time for Earth Day right there. Okay, I'm out of ammo. But I'll put you on ice. Or else what? You're gonna say frozen in the ice? I'd rather say clear the Emperor's glorious embrace. Don't like him like that, okay, sir? Almost got him. There we go. Gary, you okay, buddy?
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this.
Very sure that's not nefarious.
Huh?
You asleep?
Oh, it's you! I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet.
Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks.
Alright. Decided. There's one.
Let's find another. Oh, hey! Our creepy undead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
We're getting off the ship.
Let's see, I guess I can level this guy up a little bit.
Yes, good idea.
We'll meet you guys in the catacombs.
Oh, if I had nightmares, bone runes would make a regular appearance.
I mean, at least they're not hard to kill. That's the real positive thing about the situation. I'm just gonna use that Voider Pulsar so that way I can actually level it up just a little bit. So now I need to find where the other pressure plate's at. upgrading it, but I think we need to build up more money first.